What's up guys, it's Duxon, and today we're playing some Roblox ragdoll engine, so let's get started. And we're gonna bomb a lady. And we're gonna, what is this, are we drinking pee? Oh my gosh. Mamma mia! And now when your bomb goes back, you push a lady. When you get your pushback, you push a lady, and then you give them one of those. Eat bomb. Boom! Is this even legal? This is so illegal. Oh my gosh. Help me, please. Oh my gosh. SpongeBob. It's SpongeBob. What is that thing called? Cinnamon Toast Crunch. And then you bomb SpongeBob, and then you die a pathetic death. Oh my gosh, where did he go? Where did SpongeBob go? SpongeBob, you here? Where is SpongeBob? Pretend they're teens, yes. He's queen. And guys, okay, I made up a day today. It's Robux Rich Day today, so happy Robux Rich Day that I made up. Yeah. You get a bomb. You fall down in a trash can. You die in the trash can, and then you get up, and then you eat, and then you give a bomb to somebody, and then they go up the stairs, and then they roll down the stairs, and then wait, is this? That's actually a nice. That looks like a rare username, Weech. I don't even know what that means. What is that even? What even is that? Is that it? Who is named Weech? Who is named Weech? That's my question. Cookie Hearts his name Cookie. Ow! Whee! Then you go on this. I'm gonna come here. Oh my gosh. I is fat. Dang, I had the chance to push him. And I have the chance to bomb Toasted Bean. Next video will be later. Ta-da, I think. Oh, that's a hacker. Get away, homie. I think that's just a hacker. That's probably one of them normal hackers that just hack. Not like a hacker, like hacks your Roblox account and stuff. Oh, he's probably gonna push me now. Oh, I don't think it's a hacker. To do to me. Ow. I don't want to hurt myself in game. No. Ooh, ow. If that was real life, I would be dead right now. And this video would not get uploaded. But I'm not dead. You go up some stairs, bruh, why am I drinking pee? You fall down. I look like I'm doing you like. What do you mean? What is this? What even is this? Gosh, no, I don't like this. Well, YouTube, part 2 will be coming soon to this video. Bye bye.